Okay guys, we're gonna be starting with the ceiling. We're gonna make our way down towards the painting of all the trim work, and finally, floors. I can't wait to start that. Nani, she's trying to, oh boy, here she go. We're not gonna be installing recessed lighting in here, so I don't feel a need to take this ceiling down just to skim over. Easy enough. Hot, neutral ground.
Baby, what are we doing when we're snowed in?
We work while we're snowed in. We on the next project while we're snowed in. We ain't got nowhere to go.
Guys, if you guys are renting or you guys don't want to put holes in your walls, use these command strips. They are the bomb. I literally use them for everything. Even though I have a million holes in this wall, they weren't from me, they were from the previous owner, and I never covered them up. I don't know why. So, yeah, use these. I recently ordered 3 pairs of safety glasses. My husband was tired of me taking his glasses from him. So I bought myself these glasses right here, if you guys can see.
Wow.
Oh, those are nice.
You like the way these look?
Yes, I mean, go ahead with your bad self.
I bought them.
We're back.
Got all the trim down.
Guys, it is 10:03. My husband just finished busting his booty, skimming the ceiling.
Mm-hmm. Got it all skimmed out.
Make it look nice, paint it, paint the room, and then
Get on the floors.
get on the floors.
Thursday.
Thursday. Today's Tuesday, and by the time you guys see this, will be Sunday. So God willing, everything will be done, except decorating, of course. But I mean, as far as the floors and ceiling and walls and stuff.
All right. I gotta get some rest, babe.
Me too. I'm exhausted.
Please, let's go. I'm gonna put her to work right now.
Bye bye. Ustedes, look it. We removed all the furniture.
She's just doing herself, she ain't doing nothing.
I'm excited. Tomorrow my hubby's gonna get the sander and he's gonna be sanding. Right, puppy?
I have a lot to do, a lot ahead of me.
This is the last thing to do in this room. The last thing. Oh Lord. What is she wearing? She's obsessed with those boots. Grace, let me see your boots. Oh wow. Go ahead, girl.
I might have to go with the darker stain, I'm not sure.
We're gonna go with the stain color that we chose.
Yeah, I don't know. We might have to darken it up. See these spots here? We'll see as soon as I start sanding. First things first, since carpet was previously installed here, we had a ton of staples to pull. Let's take this trim out. 9 times out of 10, this old trim is just gonna break off like this. Ain't nothing to do but to replace it. Let's get started! Woo! All right, guys, I just wanted to show you, these floors are really, really bad. I got some deep scratches on these floors. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. The gouges on these floors. Hopefully I'll be able to get these up with the sander. These watermarks, I'm gonna have to take another sanding to these here. I'm on the first sanding, so I'm gonna try to get them up during the second. Gotta keep on moving, folks. Gotta keep on moving.
So my husband and I decided that we were going to play scientist at this moment, and we are mixing stains right now. Is that right, sir?
Yes. We have Malibu Gray. We have Walnut Stain.
Where's the mocha?
Vintage. Oh, there's nothing left in here.
We have no vintage.
No vintage mocha.
Where's the mocha in the English?
Let me go get it.
English American?
Let me go get it.
American England?
Yep.
So you guys seen us before doing trying out the mocha and the, what is this? English muffin?
Early American English muffin.
I'm hungry. All right, guys, it was a lot of playing around with a bunch of stains. So my husband and I last night used the Czar stain, right, babe?
Yeah.
And it was the walnut. This is the walnut right here. And then this is the walnut with the gray. This is mocha. This is aged bourbon. This one's aged bourbon with the gray. This is just gray, and this is mocha with the gray. My husband absolutely loves this one, the walnut with the gray. We're gonna go with the walnut and with the grape.
So my wife is still undecided. This is the day I'm about to stain, and she is totally undecided what she wants to do.
Listen, I think this is harder than choosing a name for my child. So before he even showed me this, I just was thinking mocha. I was undecided between mocha and something else. Okay. Mocha mixed with the Malibu Gray. Now that you showed me this, now I'm undecided between the dark chocolate truffle and the mocha. So I don't know if this helped or made it worse.
Okay, so let's pick one.
Mocha.
Okay, the color is going to be, point to it. Mocha. Mocha it is.
Oh my goodness. It looks stunning. It looks so beautiful. Honestly, babe, this camera does not give it justice to how beautiful this stain actually is. Like, seriously, guys.
Alright guys, so it's a wrap for this video.
Yes!
So we do have a little bit more things left to do in the dining room and the living room, but it is going to be my favorite time.
Time to decorate, that's her.
Yes, it's time to shop. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Bye.